beautiful space over here, the L-shaped living and dining area. So this is your spacious kitchen area, your spacious bedroom. You can check out the bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Allur Avni project, which is located in Kada Agrahara, Kamsandra, Bangalore. And this project is developed by Allur Ventures. Today we are here to check out their 4 BHK sample villa. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing just in front of the marketing office of the project. So this is the marketing office where you'll be getting all the details of the project and about the land parcel. Starts from here. So here you can enter towards your land parcel. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So we are here at the actual land parcel. This is phase 1 of 15.6 acres consisting of 138 villas, 9 villas per acre. Additionally, each villas will be having 2 floors. Now coming to the amenities parts, this project provides you luxurious amenities like of palm court, outdoor music garden with sand volleyball, swing park, kids play area, outdoor gymnasium, pets park and many more. Now let's talk about the location part. So this project is located in Kada Agrahara Road in Kamsandra, Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Kada Agrahara Road and this road will take you towards Bidrahalli. Now let's talk about the further connectivity and location of the project. Bidrahalli Road is 1.9 kilometers away from the project. East Point Hospital is 3.3 kilometers away. East Point College of Engineering and Technology is 4.3 kilometers away from the location of the project. So this is your 4 BHK spacious villa of 4,645 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. So this is your parking space, your spacious parking space. Now let me show you this part, the garden area which will be maintained by the builder itself. Your main entrance of the house, that is villa. But before that, let me show you something. So this is your beautiful garden area. You can check out how beautiful garden area this is. Now let's enter towards a spacious, beautiful villa. The main huge entrance. Let's enter. Once you enter, you can check out the beautiful space over here, the L-shaped living and dining area. This is the part of your living area with 2 windows, one over this side, another window over this side for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now, this area is for, they have given you the lift provision over here. Now about the Devghar. So they have even provided the Devghar. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area. So this is your spacious kitchen area. They have done a beautiful interior work for your reference with the platform and the cabinets. Now, the utility area which is connected to your kitchen area, which has a window as well for ventilation and lighting purpose. Even there's a window in the kitchen area. Now about the bedroom. So over this side is your bedroom number 1. 1 bedroom on the ground floor. So you can check out the space, the bed space, window behind me for ventilation and lighting purpose. This is your wardrobe space and your attached washroom. So this side is your attached washroom, with vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And a cross window for cross ventilation. Now let's move further towards your floor number 1. So this was your ground floor and about your first floor. So here they have provided the staircase. And once you enter the floor, you can check out, here is a toughened glass with the wooden frames. And the flooring over here is the Italian marble. Now this is your floor number 1. This is your family lounge, the beautiful spacious family lounge connected to the balcony. Now, let me show you the balcony. But wait, before that, let's move towards your bedroom number 2. So this side is the bedroom number 2. Your spacious bedroom. You can check out the bedroom, the bed space. Here they have added up a table and a chair as well with the walk-in wardrobe. Here they have given a window for ventilation purpose. This is the wardrobe area and attached to the washroom with vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings. The window over here for ventilation again and the balcony. So this bedroom is connected to the balcony. And now here starts the balcony with wooden finishing flooring, the wooden texture railing, and this balcony is L-shaped. So this is your whole balcony area. And now it has access to the family lounge as well. And here we go. Now let's move further towards your master bedroom. So your master bedroom is on your first floor. So that is 2 bedrooms on the first floor. You can check out the wooden finishing flooring, the bed space. This bedroom has 2 windows. Now, this side is the walk-in wardrobe. Even the walk-in wardrobe has a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And this is the space, which is connected to your washroom as well, with vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. Now just follow me and we'll be moving further towards your second floor. But before that, let me tell you what all features Housey provides you all. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with its sample flat and sample villa videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now just follow me. So this is the family lounge where we are back to. And now, here we go. Even here they have provided a window. As mentioned, the toughened glass railing over here with the wooden finishing frames. And now this is the space, so you can use the space in a multi-purpose way. This floor has your last bedroom. That is your 4th bedroom is on the 2nd floor. Just have a look at it. Once you enter, you can check out the Italian marble over here, the bed space, the window. Here you can set your couch, and over here, this is your walk-in wardrobe. So your 3 bedrooms have the walk-in wardrobe, which is connected to your washroom with vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let me show you one more surprise. Here they have provided you. So this is the open terrace, which gives you an idea how spacious this villa is. Isn't it beautiful, guys? So you can check out the L-shaped open terrace with any skid tiles. Here again the wooden finishing railing. You can easily arrange your party or some function over here. Now, as you all know, we are here at Allure Ventures project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And all the information of this project is provided in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.